What do you want to say? That's right. Correct.
These are not mine.
Yeah, those are not ours. Okay, what do you want to say, Olivia? Olivia Grace.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Be careful. Yeah, because they are.
Yucky.
Maria, why are you wearing your nice shoes?
That's the only shirt I can wear.
Where's your other one?
We leave it.
Come on, Olivia.
Wait,
Forgot your tray, girl. Okay, let's go. Resume.
it's like, what?
No, there's a nakapan ni ate ni. Ate Maria is already there. May kami, ate. And so, ang ganda ng ano guys, oh. Clouds. But ayan. Oh, laki na ng ano ko guys. Look at this guys. So big already. And so healthy.
Yeah, the bamboo not dead yet.
No, the bamboo's not dead yet. What happened with the bamboo? Ano na ka ni bamboo?
Wow, so many.
And look, oh my God, look at my katuday guys. Oh, ado bunganan. Sabong, I should say. And look guys, Maria, look, your lolo made this. This one. The shade. No, the shade.
Oh,
What do you want to say to Lolo?
thank you. Lola, if you're watching this, thank you.
Thank you. So you're the best.
You're the best.
Oh, and he cleaned it. Thank you for cleaning. Ayan guys. Wow, wait, Grace. Let me take a picture first. Hi girls. Ayan. Wow, 4-0 dyan, oh. 3-0. 3-0. And then 2-0. Oh wow, 3-0 there too. 4-0. 4-0. 3-0. Olivia, wait. I'm taking a video, anak ko. Ayan, let's show it to them. Ayan, ang dami na guys.
Wow, so many.
Okay, be careful girls.
That's so many.
Maria, take the second level. Let your sister do that.
Oh, it's flashing.
Ayan, say thank you girls.
Thank you, girl. Look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you for helping girls.
Come back.
Here, put it here. Put your tray here, Olivia.
Okay.
Ayan. First may na-crock siya guys.
This is so big. It's gonna be a chick. Look, this is so big too. It gotta be a
Okay, we have to be gentle. One.
chick. Is not a black?
What's up guys? Diba? Ang dami. Ang dami-dami. Maria, you got everything, Maria?
Daddy, look what I made.
Nice.
Let me hit that.
Okay, be gentle, Grace. Don't break them.
I'll be careful.
Here.
Okay.
Maria, there's one more. See here, Maria. Right there, in front of you. Okay, let's count. How many do you have? Leave it, Maria.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,
12.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Say thank you, chickens. Okay, let's go see the other ones. Nice.
A heart for you.
Thank you,
guys.
girls.
A heart for you guys because you support us.
Okay, okay.
Let me do a few eggs.
Thank you, Olivia. Okay. Thank you, Maria. Say bye-bye.
Bye guys, chicken.
Okay, go.
Chicken.
Mga free-range chickens naman, guys. What's that?
Let the chicken out.
Yeah.
Dad, did you see what the turkey did? It like puffed up.
I know. Lalabas na sila. Hello, come on.
It's coming, Dad.
Say come on. Come on. Hi,
Talking
guys.
to us.
Hi, boys.
Come on.
Okay, say. Maria, don't go there. Okay, so we have 35 eggs. Diba? Ang dami. You got to. Slowly, slowly. So how many do you guys got?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think there's more.
No, that's all I got. It's a warm egg.
Yeah, because she's trying to hatch them. Silly girl. Yan na sila guys, oh. Ayan. Yan na sila. Yeah. But you have more, anak ko. Oh, see? Ate's so nice. Say thank you, ate.
I just want to make a heart.
Yeah.
Oh, look! It's like 1, 2.
Look, they're fighting. Eh, yung mga manok namin, Jess, oh. Pinalabas ko muna sila.
Well, these are the big ones. Yeah.
Wow.
This is where I'm gonna be.
Okay, what do you want to say to our chickens? See you guys tomorrow. How many eggs do we have, Maria? 46! Wow! That's a lot, guys. Ito yung pinakamaraming harvest or na-collect namin na itlog so far.
That's why you should be a farmer. That means 3 eggs.
That's right. Ayan na sila, guys. Okay, say bye, guys. Please don't forget to share this video.
Please don't forget to share this video.
We love you. Bye-bye.